Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting the pairing process. Place both AirPods in the charging case and open the lid next to your iPhone or Mac. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your device screen is awake. This signals discovery. If prompted, unlock the iPhone and accept any system dialogues. For non-Apple devices, set the case's status light ready by holding the setup button until it flashes white. Once done, watch for the pairing animation or the device name to appear in Bluetooth settings. When the AirPods appear, tap Connect or select them from the Bluetooth list. You'll see a confirmation animation on iPhone. Follow prompts to enable features like spatial audio and automatic ear detection. These improve sound and power behavior. On Mac, confirm in the menu bar or sound settings. For Android or Windows, open Bluetooth list, choose the AirPods Pro name, and confirm pairing. No PIN is usually required. Make sure both earbuds connect. If one doesn't, reinsert it and try again. After pairing, play audio and speak into the mic to verify both sound and call quality. Adjust volume and activate spatial audio or noise control as needed in Control Center. If connection drops or only one bud connects, go to Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, then repair. As a deeper fix, reset the AirPods Pro by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps. If problems continue, check device OS updates and battery levels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.